Ci जेवणा जेवला फामाद इटालियन रोसोटी पूण सगळ्यां परस रुचीक गोंयची शीतकडी.
Welcome back to another video of Food Diary from Mom to Son. In today's video, we're gonna do a requested dish. That's the restaurant style Bhindi do Pyaza. This can be enjoyed for lunch, dinner, roti, chapati, anything. It tastes delicious. Lots of ingredients, lots of taste.
Okay, for the Bhindi do Pyaza, we have taken half a kilo bhindi, 1 teaspoon mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped fine, 1 inch ginger juliennes and 3 green chilies slit, 3 onions chopped fine, 3 tomatoes chopped fine, 3/4 cup of curd, and the masalas I'll just remove and show it to you. Okay, now let's remove the masala. 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. That's it. This is the masala for the Bhindi do Pyaza. Okay, first you need to wash the bhindi well and dry them. I have wiped them and dried them a little bit. Now we'll cut the bhindis, cut the edges first and chop them about 1 inch piece.
That's the shape you want, just 1 inch. And now cut all the remaining bhindis and then let's get to the next. These are now nicely cut and now let's get to the next step.
First we are going to take a pan and add in a tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat for some time and then we are going to fry the bhindi in this oil.
Fry the bhindi just for 5 minutes till they change color to a darker color. So now these are done. Now let's keep it aside and let it cool for some time. There we go.
Now take another tablespoon of oil or maybe another 2 tablespoons of oil, and in this you are going to add in the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds and give it a good splutter. You can see it is nicely spluttering. Now add in your garlic, chilies and the julienne ginger. Give it a good stir. Let this fry for a minute till it is nice and aromatic. Now you can get a nice flavor of the garlic and the ginger. Now it's time to add in the chopped onion and fry this till it is nice and golden.
Few moments later.
Okay, as you can see, the onion is nicely fried. Now we are going to add in the masala which we had kept aside. The chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, all that goes in here and you give it a good mix. Now you can see the masala is well blended. Now add in your tomatoes, the 3 tomatoes which were chopped, and fry this till it releases oil from the side. That means you have to fry it for quite some time till the tomato is well mashed and it releases oil from the sides. You can see the tomato is well mashed along with the onion, and now it is time to add in the curd. And keep stirring this for another 5 minutes till everything is well blended, and again you see the masala releasing oil. Masala is getting fried. Let's chop 1 onion and keep aside, which we are going to add at the end. Just chop it roughly like this. Same way, take one tomato, remove the edge, give it a rough chop, remove the seeds from inside. Just like this. The gravy is nicely cooking and is about to be releasing oil. Then we are going to add in about 200 ml water, that is a cup of water in it, and make a gravy out of it.
Now the water goes in.
And let this now get a good simmer. Just stir it for some time and let it boil. Gravy is boiling. Let us put in salt to taste and wait for it to simmer. Now you can see the masala is simmering. Now we are going to add in the fried bhindi and the chopped onion and tomato, and cook this mixture till the onion and tomato is done. So here goes, and let us cover this dish and cook it till everything is well blended.
A little longer than a few minutes.
You can see it's nicely simmering. Now it's time to add in a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it nicely and let all this masalas blend along with the bhindi and the onion. Cook this for another 7 to 8 minutes and your dish is ready to enjoy. Here it has been cooking for almost about another 7 minutes, and you can see the bhindi is nicely done, soft enough, and here your bhindi do pyaza is ready to enjoy.
So now as you can see, the bhindi do pyaza is ready. Let's plate this and then eat, and I'll tell you how it tastes as always. And there we go, look at this. It looks so delicious, and it also tastes delicious, I'm sure. And now I will taste it and tell you how it is.
So the bhindi do pyaza is now ready, and now I'll tell you how it tastes. So I'll take it from here, okay? So here's the bhindi and the gravy. I have also made mini chapatis here to taste it. So let's take one chapati. Here's the size, and I'll tell you now the taste. So I took a bhindi and the gravy. There we go. Yum. It's perfectly seasoned, tangy, sweet, spicy, perfect. Okay, perfect. This is, I don't know what flavor this is, but this is like something out of the world. Just heavenly. So make this boring bhindi more yummy with bhindi do pyaza now. Subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on bell notifications. Mouth watering, and also follow me on Instagram, link in description. Thank you.